Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to my channel. I am here to do another unboxing. It is already, I already filmed this video like a week ago, lost the footage, and so I'm refilming it, and today is Halloween. So it's the last day of October, which means my November box will be coming soon. But I am here to do another Unliving Essential Rewards unboxing for you guys. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. It's super rainy and gloomy out today, but we are making the most of it, and let's get into this video. So I really did not buy that much stuff for this month because I didn't really need that much stuff, and that is one of the greatest things about using Young Living and all of that stuff, is that if you purchase it, it lasts for quite a long time. I didn't need any cleaning products, I didn't need any household products. I have it all, and I probably won't need to repurchase a lot of it for at least another 2 or 3 months, which saves us a ton of money. So I wanted to just start off with one of the newest ones that I have actually never purchased before, and this is actually a men's product. It is a 3-in-1 men's wash, and it's called Shutron, and you can use it if you're a man. Jake uses it. He really wanted to try it. You can use it for your hair, your face, your body, and he actually was the other day he washed his hair with this for the first time, and he was like, wow, my hair feels so nice, different to how it felt using a normal shampoo and conditioner. And he really liked it, and it's got a really masculine smell. It smells really good, actually. And so he uses this every day when he showers, and he speaks highly of it, so I'm taking his word for it. He wants me to buy, I think this was the smallest size. He wants me to buy the biggest, the bigger size. So if he wants me to rebuy it, then it must mean it's good, right? So if you're a man and you're looking for non-toxic products that aren't girly, these are the ones for you. They have a ton of men's products as well. I also got another free gift in this box for this month, which I really did not expect. I never go into it thinking I'm gonna get a free gift because of the points and stuff, because they run by point system. So if you have to spend over $50 each month, but you get points, and that means you get free gifts, and the more points you get, blah blah blah. So this was actually a free gift, and I was like, wow, this is perfect timing. It's called Dragon Time, and it's a massage oil, and it's a little oily because I've been using it. But now that, because I'm pregnant, I have kind of a big belly now, and my skin is being stretched. I was looking for a non-toxic oil, and the reason I didn't purchase this myself was because I've been using different oils and cheaper products and whatnot. And so when I got this in my box for free, I was like, oh my gosh, how did they know I needed this in my life right now? So it's a massage oil. You can use it on your belly, on your back, on your hips, on your chest area, whatever you need it for. You can also add it to your bath water, which will moisturize your entire body. And you just lay in it, and it kind of just coats the entire body. And has an incredible smell. It's kind of like a, let me see what's in it. Oh yeah, it's like a fennel smell. So it's got fennel, sage, all kinds of different oils in, jasmine, and it just smells amazing. But it's really nice because when I put this on my belly and stuff, it doesn't leave me feeling like super oily. And that's one thing that annoys me about having to oil up every single day to avoid stretch marks, is that I feel like, especially when I go to bed, I'm just constantly oily, and kind of makes you feel a little like ugh, sometimes. But this one absorbs into your skin really fast, and it's natural, so I don't know, it just feels good to like be rubbing it on your belly when you know like your baby is directly underneath what's being absorbed into your skin. So if you're looking for a nice massage oil or something to put in your bath, I highly recommend this one. And the next two things I got were purchases I made myself. And going into like fall, winter time, Christmas time, Thanksgiving, all of that stuff, I really wanted to buy some scents that, some essential oils that really smelt like Christmas or smelt like winter and that time of year. And because I remember last year and the years before that, this is the time of year, hi buddy, this is the time of year that I go crazy for candles. And I buy, okay, you just want to cuddle? Okay. Okay. Mommy's filming a video. What was I saying? I go crazy for candles. I love like fall candles, apple candles, pumpkin candles, anything that smells like fall and Christmas, I just love. But I would spend so much money on candles, and I like, it's crazy. We would burn through candles. So, and obviously candles, they have a lot of toxins in, especially if you buy soy candles, soy wax based candles. The soy in the candle and the wax actually carries high amounts of estrogen in them, which you're breathing in. Your body gets used to breathing in that quantity of estrogen, and then your estrogen to, you know, like your progesterone or whatever, different levels in your body, the estrogen escalates and gets used to it, and that's what creates a lot of hormonal imbalances. And this year, being pregnant and for the future years, I've actually completely stopped buying candles. So I really wanted to buy Christmassy stuff that I can actually diffuse in my diffusers. So I'm actually diffusing this one at the moment, which is probably one of my favorites. It's called Christmas Spirit, and it smells like Christmas. It's so nice. I love this one so much. I'm probably gonna buy another one because I'm almost half empty this one. And it has like orange peel, cinnamon bark, and then black spruce leaf oil. And the combination of that blend smells so good. Like, I pass the room that I have it diffusing and I'm like, oh my gosh, it smells like Christmas in there. And the nice thing is like, I know we still have like 2 months until Christmas, but this one smells like Christmas, but like fall going into Christmas. So it's just the whole winter gloomy day vibe that you want going on in your house. So I love this one. And then the next one I got is called Blue Cypress, and this one smells really good too. It has more of an earthy smell, like a tree, like a cypress tree. And you can actually apply this one topically onto your skin or different areas on your body, or you can diffuse it. So I really love this one. Jake really loves this one too because it has more of a forest. I think it's like got a forest smell. You know, when you go into forest and you can smell the pines, like it smells kind of like that to me. And adding this one with citrus or even the Christmas Spirit, I really like that. Very happy with those two oils. That's it. Basically, that's everything I got from this month's box. Yeah, if any of you guys are interested, do you like the diffusers too? Do you like the smell? Do you like the smell? Yeah. You want to go play outside, but it's raining. Aw. If any of you guys are interested in Young Living or essential oils or the cleaning products or anything from the Young Living brand, please comment down below or contact me at my Instagram, and I would be happy to get you started with your starter kit. And I wish I had done a starter kit like video to show you what you get in your starter kit box, but I was completely out of it in my first trimester when I got my starter kit, so I did not manage to film that. But I can tell you, you can go on the website and find exactly what comes in your starter kit, and it also comes with a diffuser, so go check it out. Contact me if you're interested and you want to know more, and I will see you guys for my next month's unboxing soon. Bye!